I just got a scam call from a Hawaii number.
Yeah, they already found
They
us.
found me already. Like,
It's only been 7 days and
it's
they know.
crazy.
And they were calling about your car's extended warranty.
I'm like,
of
dude,
all things too.
I never even bought a car out here.
Now tell us, what are we trying to do right now?
We're going to go shark diving in a little bit. It's raining, but sunshine or rain, we're going to do what we came to do.
That was pretty intense.
Just a little.
Miriam's getting changed in the back, but we were laughing because I think she really freaked out the guys on the boat by screaming, "I'm drowning." But the waves were really like coming above the snorkel, so we just kept swallowing water.
Oh my God.
The waves were so intense
Almost lost my phone. It
that
broke off.
Miriam almost lost her phone.
It's like literally snap.
My phone. I snapped it. I broke it.
Oh no. You okay?
Oh no. I'm not okay.
It wasn't that loud.
Baby, you were freaking me out a little bit.
I was freaking, the water was freaking me out. What the hell?
They're canceling the upcoming tours because the ride back was brutal. A lot of people got sick. I even had to go to the back just to readjust myself. I'm fine right now, but I'm sure I'm gonna be feeling a little wobbly at the hotel tonight.
I had fun. It was just crazy. I was fighting for my life. I'm too small for waters. I wanted to be a mermaid in the ocean with my blonde locks. Worst mistake ever. It just got all stuck together, and that's
It did. Her phone strap was like stuck to her hair. I was trying to help her get out of things while the waves were crashing into us and we're slamming against the cage.
I did not expect for it to be that intense.
I don't think it was supposed to be. That's why they're canceling the rest of the tours today. But I'm glad we made it in before they called it off for the day.
I just wanted to look cute like a little baby mermaid.
You looked stressed.
I was stressed, child. The guy's like, "Are you okay?" I'm like, yeah, I'm good. But I drowned like twice. I was shivering.
You looked like you were coked out. You're like, "Oh, that was really crazy. I didn't know it was gonna be that crazy."
Okay, this still didn't work. Still didn't work. Gotta get the thing.
That was fun. I recommend it. Okay, I'm not sure how much of this we'll be able to film, but we are getting a 2-hour couples spa, and hopefully it's gonna be really relaxing. Mm-hmm.
I know.
Mm-hmm.
Got some add-ons too.
Yep.
So nice.
We'll let you know how it goes after.
So the spa was so amazing. There was like a sauna bed. Oh, super nice. There was the massage with the hot stones. There was the warm pool massage, and it was like all of our pressure points. And then the last thing was the jacuzzi bathtub, which we drank tea and it had chocolate. And now we're heading to go get dinner. We're gonna see what we're gonna eat. We don't know yet.